Chaga Tea here. That's about enough to start making or brewing some chaga tea, and we'll do it in the slow cooker, and we can reuse these chips after we use them. We could probably use these up to 4 times. I'm going to take the biggest chunks and put those in so I don't have to strain so much. I just put this away and I thought, man, I had to get this out. I'm going to build up the old system here. I'm going to turn this on to high to start with, and just cover it. Dried out some of these Anaki mushrooms, just the stems. I'll make some tea with that too. I might throw some in. No, I'll just make, no, this will be a separate batch. And this is just celery leaf. Yeah, I like to dry that out when you buy your celery. Just take all the leaves off and dry them out on a paper towel. Works out great. Chaga, just leave it on the countertop. Let's see what we have. It's been a couple hours. We've got some darkness going on, and the well, these chunks are still floating. This one's down, and what I'm going to do now is turn this on low, and I'll let this go all night. Maybe turn it to warm also, like late, maybe an hour or 2 later. I'll turn it down to warm. I'll clean this off a little bit. I'm gonna have a cup of this right now. So let's see how the darkness looks. Got some going on. Might want to use a filter. I'm just gonna take a little taste of that right now. You can put milk and honey into this. So that's how you make the chaga tea if you got the chaga. I ordered mine from Canada off of Amazon, actually. I searched and searched for a long time. I've made another video about this a while back, but you know, this is really good for your cold and flu season, and only start with a little bit if your body's not used to it, and then you can build up to more of like a cup of coffee sort of thing, because it is a coffee type flavor in a sense. You know, cheers. Thanks, YouTube. So when you're done, you can just store the chunks in a little mason jar kind of thing, and throw it in the freezer and until the next time you need to use it. Day 13.